Okay, viewers all, g'day viewers all, tested this transformer. Short circuit on the secondary there. Got about 25 amps on the primary. Now we're going to try the this one. I just did a test. Yeah, it peaked at about 530 amps. I want to check the voltage, probably at least a volt there. I've got to work out the turns ratio. Ah! That's a serious booby trap. Son of a bitch, just things falling apart. Let's get a voltage and a current here. Be at least a volt, I don't know, just guessing. It's actually close to what a mott would be actually. I wonder, yeah, very similar to a mott turns ratio. The turns to volt ratio, that is. So we'll clamp that on there. I'm going to get a voltage measurement, AC voltage. Break in my new multimeter clip leads here. AC. Using this method to do a short circuit on my thick cable, gets about 2.5 amp on the primary there. 2.1 volts. 0.4 volts at short circuit, and drops down to. It's not too bad. Or as an AVE would say, it ain't teabag. $438 amps, but the cable gets hot and the resistance starts to drop there and the current goes down. Getting a bit hot. Another battery cable made in Australia. Certainly smells like it's made in Australia. It actually smells good because the Chinese insulated cable when that burns. Oh, that stinks. So we've got about 540 amps when it was cool, it peaked at. Very similar to what you get out of a mott, and that's only pulling what, 2.5 amps at the primary. If I get, yeah, well, we've got a lot to fit on there. Let's put it this way, you get a lot more out of that than rewinding a mott. You get more out of one of these. So all I gotta do is see what transformers I got in my stash. Obviously going to get losses because they're low current, but it'll be good for a test. I get the battery charger out and just connect the transformer directly to these paralleled up and off the primaries. We're going to get a 400 volt power supply out of this. Not bad, not bad. Toroids are so much more useful form of transformer than a standard your standard square iron core. Hit the camera. This sort of form factor transformer is pretty hard to rewind because you got to unweld and pull the E and I laminations apart. It's quite a big process, but with a toroid you just pretty much right to go as it is. Just wind your cable on like that. But if you want proper power or you want thousands of turns, well, you need to actually wind it on a bobbin, sort of splitting it like that, and it goes around the toroid. And the thing that spins around inside the bobbin like that, it goes around the toroid, winds up the cable that you need, and then you grab the end, tape it to here, then it starts winding it, and it goes around and around as it unwinds. There's videos on YouTube on how these are unwound. It's quite cool. I've also discovered this is a pretty neat little trick, what this little pull thing here is. Well, it turns out this is actually a fuse under here. You pull this and there's a fuse in there. That bloody trees are losing their shit on my roof. The neighbour's trees. You pull this out and there's a little fuse in there. That's really cool. Do a quick pull test. Never seen that before. It's kind of cool. How big's that fuse? I did pull 20 amps for a bit. 8 amps. 8 amps quick blow fuse. I did a quick short circuit test and I got 20 amps out of it. It goes in one way, so that way. Only goes in one way, it's kind of cool. That's like having a fuse plug in the UK, but having it in here. 250 volt, 6.3 amp rated that thing is. Neat little holder. Very, never seen one like that before. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. That was a good bit of fun. Thanks for watching.